better than 3 hits of this podcast had growing up, so...
Chernobyl.
Exit dive.
Chernobyl.
Looks deformed and scary, something that dogs bark at. It's a really problematic place. So,
Nice cutoff.
Off-road, off-brand. You could out-kayak that, yeah. It took the AMPA car 40 seconds to get to 60 miles an hour on the highway, and it was top speed was 70 miles an hour.
Okay. Exit dive.
61 season. I don't know. And his dad was like, "It's in the shed. Don't use too much for whatever the fuck you're doing." We tried to make napalm using the anarchist. I had the gasoline and the styrofoam, but turns out it takes a while for the styrofoam to dissolve, so we got bored.
Exit dive.
The 90s were weird. His dad, hey, Mr. Hahn, it's the camp, it's the 90s, we don't know what autism is yet, so we've decided that your son's evil.
Gotta turn from the center lane.
Alright, that's another good contender for the... Do you have any other running jokes about Heath right now that are like fresh? Anything fast?
It's me that I'm fast.
Well, before we start, let's
Exit dive behind me.
And refined taste of our patrons.
Come on, you're that lazy where you're not going to clear off your rear window of all the ice and snow that's on it? It takes like, what, 2 minutes with a halfway decent ice scraper to do that? Dad, stop it. Pull over and fix that right now. Right now, go. Do it. I know you can hear me. Yeah, they don't hear me.
Fastening the container with the strap belts. The
Exit dive up there.
Continuously stuck out of the door by 3 feet. He burst. Zor switched on the comms. Drop what you're doing and go up on the roof. We'll meet you there in 30 seconds.
Nice cutoff.
Not enough time, Albert.
I wonder how many dollars per new Christian were spent.
Yeah.
From this ad.
Yeah.
Nope.
I can't imagine they've been that successful.
And nope again.
Christians.
Yeah.
Right, like...
Battering the windshield. He pushes the throttle forward, the acceleration slamming him into a seat as he soars back into the night. The glow of the city extinguished. Fire on the horizon. The tar
No one let him in.
The green cubes gliding
What an asshole.
to the bottom.
No, don't let him in. Like, squeeze him and let him right up the shoulder like an asshole. Because he is an asshole, and he sucks. That's one hell of a backfire you got there.
He could get. He pulled the yoke all the way back, raising the AV's nose to the roar of engines. The trip worked. The drone began ascending in preparation for a pursuit.
What was the point of that?
Couldn't project all of the AV's potential trajectory.
You're still stuck behind the
Zor
line of
lowered the power
cars.
to 53%.
Going rev does nothing.
42 degrees. No more.
This video, this press conference, it's true, yeah. Also take medicine and go to doctors, but like do this too. It's pretty great. It's actually
Unless
Exit
you're
dive.
really young. So
it's the new edition of Feeling Good, where the investigation ended. That is, until just last year when a global pandemic would deliver Nick to justice. Global pandemic.
Hey, rip off! Red light run.
He serves perpetually. She doesn't get to go free. Well, why would that be the case? Well, it's clear, because in the passage, she becomes somebody's concubine. In the ancient Near East, when you sold somebody as a slave...
Where are you going?
Her body was yours. Her sexual reproduction was yours. She didn't have autonomy. But it says, if she does not please her master, who designated her for himself, then he shall let her be redeemed. So
just to go to the left anyways.
Decide to,
weird.
To go into her. This wasn't...
I willingly go to Mets games with you. That's true. What are you talking? We pretty much say yes every time you ask us. I had to help. Hey, you guys want to go sit in the suite? Hey, you guys want to sit in the all 22 seats?
Nope.
No, you're in.
Nice cut off as well.
You to my house for some I was having. Thank you for taking my phone call. Yeah. I gotta tell you, man.
Really?
The Rangers, they've done some weird stuff. Chris Kreider should be the captain of the New York Rangers. They give him a slap in the face. They bring in Miller, make him the captain. They're doing things backwards. Now, you go to a Ranger game. I'm a big Ranger fan. Yeah. You get so excited in the building. What are you doing to my team?
Because they're losing.
I know they lose.
And especially at home.
Really?
Exactly.
I'm going to do that all
The
day.
other teams retool quickly.
Yeah.
They
Right. He's the only quarterback in Patriots history to win a Super Bowl.
Yeah.
And if Drake May wins the Super Bowl in his second year, it's
Exit dive and nice cutoff.
what Brady accomplished.
That was red light, Ron.
Temperatures, wind chills ranging 10 to 30 below zero by Saturday night. With your Western Mass News First Alert forecast, I'm meteorologist Liam.
No stop. Black sucks.
Prior to the frustration and embarrassment ED causes, you should call Northeast Men's Health today, because there probably isn't a better resolution you can make than to be done with ED. You see, ED
Left turn regret.
It can also affect your partner.
Douchebag. Probably did that to get around all the traffic here.
If you're like most guys,
Bad.
Northeast Men's Health will give you the service. Northeast Men's Health, a Preventative restorative health practice.
Shop 30. Click, print, and
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run. Oh yeah, in case you haven't heard, that song is going to make a comeback on this channel because I want it to. So there you go.
The problem is when they are ignorant of a truth and don't know they're ignorant of the truth and assert that they know what they're talking about.
Oh, what?
Then
Oh.
it's a battle. It's not just a student in your class.
All right, that guy was going to run the red light, and then he got cut off and kind of got stuck there. That was just bad. Dumb!
And that book,
Well, in the year or so since that book came out, there's
No
been
stop.
all kinds of new stuff.
BM
So
double
there
douche.
must be another edition soon because it just
how about
keeps
that?
growing. It just keeps growing.
And no stop for the books
your
wagon.
comedy special, Just Smart Enough.
Or that
It was New Year's
Jeep
Eve,
thing.
I think. Your
Wagon.
comedy special, Just Smart Enough.
Or that
It was New Year's
Jeep
Eve,
thing.
I think we posted
That is
it
correct.
on our main channel, wasn't it?
Or the
That's
Subaru
correct.
behind me.
So this is,
Everyone's bad.
then
Stop it!
Check it out. It's all there.
Personally, you've seen some of these. I'll call them shady. I mean, they're not exactly forthright in some cases. They're just kind
Left
of
turn
saying,
regret.
hey, this will be great for the kids, right? Yeah,
Winston was just taking his place in one of the middle rows when two people whom he knew by sight but had never spoken to came
Whoa, what the?
unexpectedly into the room.
Where'd you come from?
One of them was a girl.